So, hi friends, good evening, everyone. So, everyone in the sense, in my terminology, programmers. Okay, every programmer. So, welcome to Durga Soft online training. Welcome to Durga Soft online training, and welcome to logic based programming. Okay, logic based programming. In short form, we are calling it as LBP online batch. It is not offline, it is online. Okay. So welcome to Durga Soft online training and welcome to logic based programming online batch. Sir, what is this batch is going to do? Of course, we will discuss all the things. So myself, Prakash Babu, having 14 years of experience, 14 years of experience as technical trainer. So dealing with so many subjects in the placement and training domains. Okay. So here in our Durga Soft, we launched a special course especially to clear the coding grounds. Okay. So what is that course is nothing but the title of the course is logic based programming. What is the title of the course? Logic based programming. Sir, initially we have conducted this batch almost 6 months because very first batch we have taken almost 6 months, but this batch I mean later on, so the total duration of this batch is nothing but 2 months. Okay, within 60 hours we are going to complete this syllabus, maybe plus or minus 5 or 6 classes will be there. So I can say exactly, so 60 hours. Okay, 60 hours will be there. Sir, what is the timing of this particular class? Sir, every day from 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. class will be there. Every day, 1 hour the class will be there. Sometimes maybe 5 to 10 minutes extra will be there. Okay. Then, sir, what is the uh, fees structure for this batch? I think you know very well. You have seen in the demo link itself. So it is nothing but rupees 2000. Sir, if I want to join, to whom we need to contact? Sir, you can contact to, okay, these numbers. I am going to provide the numbers. Just have a look once. Sir, 9246. So 212143. You can contact to this number. So they are going to provide guidance for you. Of course, our admin people will send a message to you and they will make a call. Okay. Sir, how many demos we are going to take? No problem. We will take 4 to 5 demos. 4 to 5 demos will be there. Later, you can able to register for this course. Then only we are going to give the permanent link for you people. Okay. Then, so next one, next one, sir. Yeah, timings there is no change, sir. Max at 9 o'clock we will wind up. Okay. You can watch that video. Of course, we are going to give that content, right? You can later watch that video. So please wait while class is going on. Later you can ask all your queries. Please wait, sir. Okay. Then, sir, what about the benefits? The benefits of this course. Okay. What about the benefits? Sir, the first benefit is nothing but sir, it is not like theory classes. It is not like theory classes. It is the practical classes. These are the practical classes. So daily we are practicing. Okay, we are practicing the programs. Daily we will practice the programs, sir. It will be habituated. Okay, so you can't able to sleep at least per day, so without doing any one program. Such a type of confident, such a type of logical thinking, your logical thinking is going to be improved like anything. So not only this programming, sir, in general, if you are getting any problem, how you can able to solve that problem, such a type of knowledge you can able to gain from this. So but my sincere request for you people is, don't do parallel works. So if you are attending these classes, daily 1 hour is more than sufficient. Okay, and half an hour practice is sufficient. So daily 1.5 hour excluding on Saturdays or Sundays. So every day, 1.5 hour, if you practice for these 2 months, September and October, okay, definitely you can able to achieve more heights, sir. Like whether if you are a working employee, you can able to enhance your knowledge. Suppose if you are a student, you can get selected in so more MNC companies. Okay, so because we are going to cover the programs, sir, that is the next one. Sir, daily you are telling practical classes. Daily we are going to do coding. Sir, how many programs you are going to cover? So I think you have seen already in the title we have given 300 plus, but make sure I am going to cover 320 programs for you people. Okay, I will cover 320 programs for you people. These programs include numbers related programs. Okay, next and after that strings related programs. So next and after that arrays related programs. Then sub programs which includes unsorting and sorting. Okay, searching and sorting algorithms, and some of the math algorithms also we are going to cover. Math algorithms also we are going to cover, and few programs we are going to cover on matrices, etc. I think you know, if you are already attended one or two interviews, so whether it may be a small company or big company, definitely you can see the problem statement. Without these topics, there won't be any problem, sir. Suppose they make you array. I have one array is there with 5 elements, another array is there with 5 elements. Can you combine these two arrays and perform sorting operation? So this is your requirement. Try to solve this problem within 15 minutes. So these are nothing but the test cases what I have. So this is a sample input one. So for this is the sample output one. So this is a sample input two. This is the sample output two. This is the sample input three. This is the sample output three. So these are the three examples that I have given. Problem statement is also given for you. Try to implement a program in the programming language. Sir, which programming language? So we are going to see the implementations of the implementations of these programs in C language, C language, Java, and Sir Python. In all these languages, we are going to see the implementation. Sir, maximum you can get core concepts in C, sir. Okay, but sir, in Java and Python, okay, Java and Python, we have ready-made methods are there. You can use that methods to perform some simple operations. Like for example, if you have ABC is there, sir, I want to convert from lowercase to uppercase. For A, the ASCII character is 97. Okay, for B, the ASCII character is 98. For C, the ASCII character is 99. If you subtract with the 32, you are going to get 65, which is the ASCII value of capital A. If you subtract with 32, then we are going to get something like 66, which is the ASCII value of capital B. If you subtract with 32, we are going to get a 67, which is the ASCII value of capital C. This is in C language. But in Java, ABC dot, we have one special function is there called to uppercase. In Python, ABC dot upper function is there. See, like in C language, we are going to implement with the help of core concept. That means if we don't have any predefined support, how you can able to solve the problem? Because that will give the idea behind how these predefined methods came into the picture. Okay, and for easiness, we are going to cover these type of codings also. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, sir, the implementations of these programmings will be there in all these languages like C, Java, and Python. Okay, for every program, I'm going to give that coding, sir. For example, if you want, you can see my previous batch running notes. Okay, sir, you can able to see here. So what is this program? We have to delete an element from an array. So implement a program to delete the given element from an array. So input is nothing but the size, array elements and the element. And the constraint is the array size should be always less than 100. Output is nothing but we have to return an array after deleting. Suppose example also I am going to take. Sir, I want to delete the element called 44. After deletion, I am expecting this one as out. Suppose if input is 5 and I have given certain elements, I want to delete 66. Suppose if 66 is not there, we have to return -1. So, sir, this is a just a running notes purposes, sir. But later you can see how it is going to work. We have separate hacker rank tool is there. There we have to read the problem statement and examples. And first I will explain the logic behind the program. Logic in the sense, sir, I have this problem. How we can able to solve this problem in a generalized manner, I will explain by taking the some diagram and by drawing something. So I have an array, I need these elements are there. I want to delete this element. If it is available, then we have to delete. If it is not available, we have to print -1. That I will explain with the help of diagrams. Okay, because visualization explanation is always give high priorities, right? That's why. Then later we will provide code in C language. Later we are going to provide the implementation in Java. Later we are going to provide implementation in Python. Not only for this, for every program I am going to type with my own hands. So insert an element at first position of an array. Okay, like this we have n number of programs are there, sir. You can able to see is the string is in sorting order. Suppose if you give any string, if the content of this string is arranged already in ascending order, means we have to return true. ABC according to alphabetical order we have, right? That's why it is going to return. And if you have BAC, sir, is the data is arranged in ascending order? No, we are expecting false. So how to solve that problem? And how we are going to implement in C language? How to implement in Java? How to implement in Python? Okay. If any student is asking doubts, we will clarify that doubts here itself, sir. Okay. So this is nothing but how we are going to provide implementation in all these programming languages. Right. Excellent. Sir, next term, sir, what about these videos? These running notes. Okay, sorry. So these running notes and so we are going to provide some hacker rank link. So these are running notes and hacker rank link are okay lifetime validity. Okay, but whatever the video which is a recording, we will upload these videos. Sir, videos will have 7 months access, sir. 7 months access. You can't able to download this video, just you can able to watch these videos. Okay, so this is nothing but what benefits you are going to get. And sir, for what kind of requirement is there to learn this particular coding? Okay, prerequisite. Okay, prerequisite for this course. Sir, what is the prerequisite for this course? Nothing, sir, just dedication. Dedication. Okay, so towards coding. So next and after that, sir, your time. So maximum 1 hour 30 minutes time is sufficient. Okay, if you are unable to spend at a time, no problem, you can spend on weekends also. So this is nothing but a prerequisite. And sir, minimum knowledge, okay, minimum idea about okay any one programming language, any one programming language. So maybe it is a C or Java or Python, anything. And one more hidden secret is there for this course, sir. If you know any one programming language, if you join this course, at least 30% of other programming languages you are going to learn. Like for example, sir, I know C language, but I want to learn Java. And I mean, I want to join this course. If you join, sir, you can able to get an idea on Java and Python also. Suppose if you know Python, sir, you can able to get what is the story behind the C and Java. So parallel, you are going to learn that kind of facility I can able to provide, but not all the concepts, sir. Only the concepts which I have listed out. So especially I am talking with respect to programming. Okay, so this is nothing but sir, what is our course, what benefits we are going to cover, and what is prerequisite for this course. So everything I provided. Sir, what about the syllabus? How many programs we are going to cover? Sir, as I told earlier, we are going to cover how many programs, sir? 310 programs minimum we are going to cover. Okay, so this is nothing but the list what we have. This is nothing but the list whatever we have. Sir, total for every program I have given the titles alone. So later we will see how it is going to work. Okay, so these are nothing but so what are the programs that we are going to cover in this? Every program is coded, sir. Okay, you can able to enjoy these classes like anything. So my sincere request for everyone, so if you are a final year or pre-final year student, if you are studying, sir, don't waste time, better to purchase this course immediately. Okay, don't waste at least 1 minute of time also, because sir, the course fees is 2000, matter of around 4 movies, right? Okay, if you go to movie, minimum 500 expenditure will be there, right? So if you forgot to watch 4 or 5 movies, that's all. So that money you can able to keep for this course. Okay, definitely it will be useful, sir. So I am telling, you can write it on paper, and we can write it on paper. Definitely this course is going to be useful for a final year or pre-final year students very effectively. And for remaining, sir, I have a zeal to learn programming, I need to move from so and so industry to IT industry. Yes, no problem, this coding knowledge is minimum requirement, right? So happily you can able to do. Sir, I am in project, I am taking support from other persons, so I don't have that much background on this. No problem, definitely this course is going to be helpful for you people. So with this course, once if you are entering into this course, while leaving, definitely your brain is going to be filled with some content. That assurance I can able to provide for you people, right? So this is nothing but about myself and about Durgasoft, about the course, what benefits you are going to cover, and what content is there. Okay, the complete intro for this course I have given, sir. Now it's time for you to ask queries. You can ask all the queries whatever you have in your mind. Don't worry, I will clarify all your doubts, then we will move one step forward. Yes, you can start asking your queries. Sir, I don't have any knowledge on coding, can I learn from scratch? No issues, the programming we are going to start from scratch. We are going to start from scratch. Okay, um, I know only loops, no problem. Without loops, no program we are going to do, but parallelly you can able to understand the remaining concepts. See, at very first time when you are introducing the concept, I will give the overview, sir. For example, if I am taking while loop, I will give the syntax of while loop in all the languages, how it is going to work. Later only I will enter into while loop related programs. Okay, that introduction I will provide. Every day how many programs we are going to cover? Yeah, that will be depends, sir, depends on the content of the program. Suppose if it is a small program, so 3 or 4 programs we can. Suppose if it is a big program, sometimes only one program per day, so we have some 3 to 4 programs are there like that. Vishal is asking, do we'll get assignments? This is a programmatically based course, right? In this, no need to go for any theory concepts. A bunch of assignments will be given for you people. So you have to practice in advance if you want to do this. Even if I'm explaining the program, definitely you have to practice. Until you are going to practice, you won't get anything. Okay, Vishal. Um, Searching and sorting algorithms, actually we are going to cover linear search, binary search, and only one sorting algorithm, that is a selection sort, that's all. But for this batch I am going to add all the sorting techniques whatever we have. Minimum 10 sorting techniques I will cover for this batch as a separate topic. So all the programs you can run in editor are not in the class. No, I am going to use one tool called hacker rank. In that tool we are going to execute the programs. I will show that. Collection related problems, no, collection is the data structure, right? In this course we are not going to cover any data structure, but somewhere we required some data structures, sir. There I will give some kind of introduction. Maybe you can expect 10 or 15 programs related to the data structures. So I'm talking with respect to Python and Java. Yes, we are going to cover linked list. Okay, array list like that, but not in detail because that will be covered in the programming, right? Not here. Clear? Yeah. Any queries, please feel free to ask. That's all about queries. Ayo.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, sir. Please.
So, the course content shows the list of programs. So, and you yourself will be doing the coding and showing us. So, what should, what is the expectation from us then? I mean,
See, when I am doing the program, you need to take that program, how the logic is implemented, how difficult that problem is. All these things you are going to get. Later, you can open the same link and you can practice from yourself itself. Okay. So the coding I'm going to explain. Parallelly, you have to practice from your side also. Okay. And whatever code you are practicing, your name, all these things you can able to see on the dashboard of HackerRank.
can we only practice in only one language, which we
No, you can
like?
practice on all these three languages like C, Java, Python. I have enabled C, C++, Java, Python for the students, but I will explain only in C, Java, and Python.
No, no, so can we prefer only one language and continue the
Yeah,
work?
that is your wish. That is your wish. For example, I'm going to explain the concept in all the languages. Okay. So, but you have to practice depending on your requirement. Suppose if you are in Java technology, just try to listen only Java related terminologies and try to do. But my recommendation, so it is highly required to learn how it is going to work internally means better to listen that C language concept also. Nothing will be there, matter of 1 hour, right?
Uh, sure, sir.
Yeah, you will get more stuff. That's all. No, DSL, no. As of now, it is only the logic based programming. Only we are going to concentrate on programming domain, not on data structures or algorithms or any other tools. Right. So I hope all your queries got resolved, right? Shall I continue? Right. Sir, some people may have a doubt. Sir, where we have to practice the programs, all these things. Just a matter of 1 or 2 minutes, I will give some demo on that, how it is going to work. So https double slash www dot sirhackerrank.com. We have this website. I think you know about this website. So with the help of these logics, we can crack the companies like Wipro, TCS, Accenture, etc. programs. Yes, damn sure. And sorry to say, some of the previous company papers are there in these examples also. You can able to see some programs are there which was asked in some previous interview questions, especially in the year 2020, 21, 22. In these 3 years, I collected so much of stuff and I am adding. Still, the programming count is going to be increased. You can expect all these programs. See, you can able to understand, sir. For example, if the problem is related to prime numbers, if you know how to write a logic for finding whether the given number is prime number or not, n number of programs will be there on prime number. If you want, you can see, just search for the word called prime. Sir, sum of prime digits. You can see first program. So prime number or not, second program. So prime number, okay, or not. Prime number application. Okay, like this, next prime. Okay, sum of prime numbers in an array. All numbers in the array are prime or not. Print prime numbers. Absolute difference between prime numbers. Okay, so like this, count of prime digits in the given matrix. Prime number buses. Like this, we have n number of programs will be there. But for all these things, prime number is the main logic. Okay, that you need to capture how it is going to be work. Sir, this course is fully worthful, sir. So don't keep anything on mind. Just you can register. Not for publicity sake, I'm telling. Okay, it will be very, very useful. So for every batch, the minimum strength is 35 to 40 members are there. Okay. Yeah. And www.hackerrank.com/LBP test. This is the, it is a foundation for every developer and it's mandatory. Yes, Vasant, correct. Yeah. So what we have to do with this link? So open, okay, open any website, sir, any Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or IE, anything you can open. Just paste this link and press enter. Of course, it is the demo link, sir. In this, you won't get all the programs. Only few programs will be there in this. Sir, if any class got missed, how to cover that? So our admin team are going to upload the videos on the same day max. Okay. So while coming to the next class, you have to watch that recording. And one more thing, there won't be any dependencies, sir. Okay. If any dependencies is there, I will inform in advance. Okay. So you need to, I will mention which classes are very, very important. For example, if I'm taking a concept of arrays, so array related programs, we have 100 programs are there. But if you know how to handle the arrays in C language, in Java and Python. So luckily, sir, we have arrays concept is there in Java and Python, but we don't have arrays concept in Python, Java and C. We don't have arrays concept in Python. But how we can able to implement that arrays concept in Python is a challenge for us. So that will be covered in the introduction of arrays class that you should not miss. Okay. So anyway, if you miss, you can able to recall. Still, if you are not getting, we will create a medium where we can communicate with each other. We can clarify all your doubts. Clear, Sumit?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right. So like this, you are going to get a dashboard, sir. Here you need to click on login. Okay, you need to click on enter contest. Suppose if you are attending the first time, it may ask for what you can call login credentials. You can connect with your Gmail ID. Okay, continue with the Google account. Then it will be redirected to your mail ID, and then it will be logged in along with your mail ID. That's all. Sir, here you are going to see the challenges. Every challenge you can able to see here. So just for demo purpose, I uploaded only 10 programs here. But how many programs we are going to see? 320 programs. But don't expect all the 320 programs at a time. So topic by topic, I'm going to add. Maybe for the first time, I will add 10 programs. Then some digit related programs are there. So some 20 programs I'm going to add. Like that, I'm keep on adding the programs. Okay. And one more thing for you people. So I'm going to add a few more programs for practicing also that you can able to do by yourself. Okay. And so these are the programs what we have, sir. And sir, how you can able to solve this problem? Sir, already I have solved this. That's why we are getting try again. Okay, you can able to solve by yourself. You are going to get a one button called with green color saying solve challenge. And after solving the challenge, you can able to see your leaderboard position also. So that where you are, you can able to compare. Sir, see here. So some students are there with these points. Of course, it is the demo link, sir. That's why you can't able to see all the members. It was given for n number of students. So it is a demo purpose, sir. Okay. Yeah. So this is nothing but what we have. And how to solve the problem, sir? Go to problem number 3. Just I want to solve this problem number 3. Click on try again. Sir, here you can able to see. Implement a program to check whether the given year is leap year or not. So input format, read year value as an integer from the user. That year value must be greater than 0. I have given one hint also. What is leap year? It is exactly divisible by 4 except for century year. Except for century year, it is exactly divisible by 4. So if it is a century year, then it must be divisible by 400. If it is a century year, then it must be divisible by 400. If it is not century year, it must be divisible by 4. So internally, I will explain by taking some examples. Don't worry, friends. Then the output is always true or false. So they have given some sample input. For this is the output. So one more sample input. For this is the output. One more sample input. For this is the output. Like this we have. Sir, just you can select your programming language from here. You can choose either C program, or you can choose C++, or you can go with Java, or you can go with Python, any programming language. Sir, I want to solve this program by using Python. So we have one easiness is there in Python. So for this, there is one predefined function is there called isLeap. isLeap. What is the function name? isLeap. So just a second. Yes, isLeap. So just you have to pass the year. So it will decide so whether the given year is leap year or not. Okay, but where it is available in one module called calendar. So calendar dot is leap year we have to write. Sir, I will write code for this. Import calendar. So then, so we have to read year value from the user. Don't ask all these things, we will discuss later. So just calendar dot is leap function is there. Just you have to pass that year. Automatically it will calculate whether the year is leap year or not. But if you take Java and C language, we don't have any predefined support for this. We have to write manually. Okay. Now run the code. You have to click on this run code. So it is going to show, sir, already on your screen, we have 3 test cases are there. Whether your problem is solved with these 3 test cases or not, it will show. So you can able to see input is 2100, your output is false, expected output is also false. Now you have to submit your code. So don't show this me again, and then click on yes, submit my code. Now it will be submitted to the background, and in the background I have given n number of test cases. You can able to see, sir, you must satisfy all the test cases. You must satisfy all the test cases. Then you are going to get 1 point score and your status is accepted. Sir, do you know for company people, minimum if you pass at least 5 test cases out of 8, you are selected for coding round. You are selected from coding round. You are eligible for the next round. Suppose if you have passed only one test case, you are not selected. Sir, if you are passed out of all the 8 cases, if you cleared all 8 test cases, then you are a good programmer. They will keep your resume separately, and definitely in their mind they are going to select you. But just for formality purpose, they may ask some questions. Okay, so I think you people have attended different interviews. You have faced these kind of test cases problem also. Sir, my program is correct, but test cases are not working. Sir, why? Because the learning whatever you have done in your college days is different from the industry standards. Okay, so this platform after this COVID, this platform is created to test your knowledge. Okay, suppose you people are going to ask like this, enter any year. So you have seen these kind of things in your academics. Printf, enter any number, then you will read. So that is okay for learning stage. But while coding, so according to their format, you have to write. So in the sample input, are you seeing any messages here? No, we have only number is there. That's why you have to read only number. You should not print any message. If you print any message, what will happen? Sir, have you seen? Your output is enter any year, answer is true. But expected output is true. So you have to differentiate these things according to their requirement. According to their requirement, you have to write the code, sir. Okay, that is completely depends on our logical thinking. But sir, how to develop this logical thinking? Once if you practice, you will get it. Nothing more than this. Okay. Sir, I think you got clarity how you can able to work with this hacker rank tool. Please confirm, do you have any doubts on the practicing medium that we have created? Yes, please. Any doubts up to this? Ayo, what happened? No response from your side. Clear? Any doubts up to this?
Sir, so can we keep trying until we get all the test cases clear, or is it
Yes,
a one?
compulsory. You have to practice. Keep on. You have to come. You have to do until all the test cases are cleared. Then only you are going to get the final marks. Like your status is accepted, and marks are nothing but 1 point for every program. I have given 1 point. You can see in some leaderboard positions, 31.67 marks they got score. That means only few test cases are passed, but not all. Okay, so that you need to practice by yourself. Of course I will give the correct problem. Sir, how you can able to see the remaining test cases? Means it will be hidden based on the problem requirement. You have to solve the problem, then only you can get the clarity whether. So the test cases will include all these shades, sir, that is in the input. So what is the problem statement here? Leap year or not leap year, right? In this we are going to give the normal years, we are going to give the century years, everything will be there. So for century years what output they are expecting, for non-century years what they are expecting, everything will be there in the test cases. You need to write a program in such a way that it should pass all the test cases. That is completely in your hand. And all the test cases are perfectly already verified test cases. That's why don't keep any doubt on the test cases. So all the test cases are correct test cases. If any test case is failed, the problem is with our code, but not with test case. Okay, clear, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, please confirm everyone. Clear up to this. First, we have to solve the problem. No, no, no. We will start from the basic first program onwards. Sir, every program solution I will give. Okay. So when you are coming to the next class, if possible, you can try to solve some problems. Okay. Suppose if I am doing the program to count number of vowels present in the given string, you can write for consonants. Okay. So such a type of things you have to do. But anyway, I am going to give the clarity for every program, for every solution. I will type with my own hands. I want to do any copy paste mechanism. And there is no PDFs, everything manually I will type and I will explain. So that the person who don't know anything about the programming and the person who is expert, both will satisfy these classes. Every day I want to leave class at 8:45 p.m. I have another class. No problem. 45 minutes you can enjoy. 8 to 8:45 you can enjoy. Maybe last 10 minutes we may cover logic or one program or half program like that. That you can recollect from the recording. Okay, nothing will be there. Right. Any other queries, friends? Yeah. So before winding up the session, I have a small query for you people. Sir, can you please tell me, sir, what are the output statements if I want to print any message on the screen? So how you can able to write the code in C language? Can you please post it on chat window if you know? Sir, I want to print a message on the screen. Okay, how you can able to print by using C language? Yes, please. Very good, very good, very good. So many people are giving response. So it is nothing but we have to use so printf. Excellent. Printf. So here within double quotations, we have to print a message. That message will be printed on the script. This is nothing but C language. Sir, can you please type it on Java? Yes. You can use a short form also, no problem. How to print message on Java? Yes, very good, very good. Excellent. Sys dot out, SOP, very good. System dot out dot, so println of, you can print hello message. Excellent. Right, good, good. Then, sir, how to print a message on Python? Yes, how to print message on Python? Very good. So we have print function is there. Okay, print of within double quotations hello, and a semicolon is not required in Python, sir. I think you know Python lovers can understand this word. Okay, sir, these three statements I can say output statements, right? How you can able to print output on the screen. So for every program it is mandatory. Sir, there is what you can say one feature is there for algorithm. While taking the algorithm properties, there is one point. Every algorithm must take zero or more number of inputs, but compulsory at least one output it has to print. So that means input is not required for some algorithms, but output is mandatory. So whatever job you are doing, that you need to show, that you need to project to the outside of the world. That's why, so output statements are very, very important in every program starting from 001 to 315. Okay, so that's why I request everyone don't miss tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we are going to talk about input and output statements, input and output statements in C, C++, Java, and Python. In these languages, sir, what are the different types of input statements available and what are the different types of output statements available? Maybe this one requires one more topic, which is nothing but data types. So these two things we are going to cover in tomorrow's session, because you must have the basic idea, right? You must have the basic idea, then only entering into these particular programs will become very easy. That's why tomorrow I am going to cover these two topics if time permits. So tomorrow we are going to start our first program also. Okay, so first program also we are going to start, which is nothing but P001. Okay, then so we are going to give assignment some programs. You can practice by your own. Okay, so I think it is very clear for you people. So please confirm if everything is clear. We will continue from tomorrow. Okay, the duration of the course is 2 months, sir. 2 months. The duration of the course is 2 months. 2 months is more than sufficient. Maybe another 5 or 6 classes plus or minus will be there. Don't worry at all. Okay. The timings of the session is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the fees is nothing but 2000. Contact number is nothing but this one. Minimum 4 to 5 demo classes will be there. Okay. If you want to get registered and if you want to confirm with this course, you can contact admin team immediately and you can get registration. So don't keep anything in mind, just register blindly. Definitely you are going to enjoy this course, especially for the students, those who are studying now. Okay, right. And I'm going to change these programs also. Okay, LBP 001, 002, like this we have, right? Maybe, sir, here the programs not in order. Okay, some previously asked interview questions, all these things, all the stuff I have included. But now I'm planning to segregate this data. First 100 programs only based on numbers. Palliandrum number or not, Armstrong number or not, strong number or not, chronic number or not, neon number or not, Naveen number or not. Like this, we have n number of numbers are there. So digits, extracting the digits, okay, adding 1 to the even digit, subtracting minus from the odd digit, reversing the digit, okay, Armstrong number, factorial, prime number, Fibonacci sequence, okay, like n number of programs we are going to cover. So all the number related programs on my hand. Now we have 110 programs are there, but all these programs are there here also, but not in an order. But now I'm planning to segregate, but definitely I will do that for this batch. So when compared with other batches, this batch will have more flexibility. A sequence related syllabus will be there. Is there any time to complete programs on hacker rank? Ashish, you are asking the existing links or the programs which we are dumping?
Yeah, the programs which you are dumping.
Yeah, that will we will cover every program, sir. You
No, I,
can practice. What is your doubt? I'm not getting.
no. We need to individually prepare the programs and submit over there, right? So
No, 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 no. That you can do in the hacker rank link itself. So that will give final report to me. Suppose if you have registered for this hacker rank, whatever programs you are doing, I can see in the leaderboard position. There itself you can see where you are. Suppose tomorrow I'm going to upload the first program, I will give link for you. So once if you practice the first program, your name will come here and along with the score. That shows that you have completed the program. Whether the program is right or wrong, forget about that. Definitely it will be right. Then only all the test cases will be passed. But in which manner you have written, so which manner I am going to explain, sometimes maybe same, sometimes different will be there. Clear?
okay, sir.
Right. And so we should use any IDE for self practice or you can use hacker rank. Sumit, hacker rank link itself is sufficient. So maybe don't feel that, sir, on day we can complete one or two programs, hacker rank programs will be completed like that. Don't worry, it will take some time to you to practice. Definitely it will take some time. Okay. So time is not sufficient for this, for you to practice. So only that hacker rank link you have to open and you need to practice from there itself. If you want, you can use IDE also, but test cases, whatever I have given, may not be available in your mind, right? That's why better to use this hacker rank link itself. Dinesh, admin contact number. We have, I am sharing in chat window also. You can able to copy paste. Are we allowed to use Python's inbuilt functions for writing our code during coding round using companies by compiler? Any restrictions possible? That Dinesh, it's a very good question you have asked. See, Dinesh question is, sir, please have a look once. So a good question he asked. Listen carefully, everyone. Have a look once. So are we allowed to use Python's inbuilt functions for writing our code during the coding round? Okay, using companies compilers. Any restrictions possible? Sometimes, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sir, if they are not giving any restrictions, then we can use predefined functions. Suppose if they are giving any restrictions, sir, we can solve. Okay, we can solve by our own logic. Our own logic. Sir, I'm highlighting here our own logic. This logic, if you want to get, you need to join into this course. Okay, if you want, I will show you. Just now we have covered one program, right? What is that program, sir? We have covered leap year program I have shown, right? So you can see here. Yeah, leap year or not. Okay, sir, we have to read here from the user. So how much if condition I have given, how much lengthy code I have written. So this is nothing but our logic what we have. Sir, if your given year is not a century year, and if year is divisible by 4, then it is leap year. Or if it is a century year, it must be divisible by 400. If any one of this condition is satisfied, then my result is true. Otherwise, my result is false. Sir, if you understand this logic along with some examples, then whether they are giving predefined functions or not, you can write on your own hand. So I implemented that logic in C language. So that's why we have manually included this C in our course. Initially, we don't have any C language here. Manually, wantedly, we created. The reason behind that is if you learn C language coding without inbuilt functions, how you can able to code, you will get the clarity. For that purpose only, we have included this. Okay. So in Java also, we can implement like this. But in Python, sir, have you seen here? So how to use a predefined function? Sometimes if the student is asking, I am explaining without using predefined functions also. In these areas, you have a chance to practice. Sir, used predefined function. Why can't we solve the Python implementation like this? Yes, you can do that. Okay, I hope your doubt got clarified, Mr. Right. String builder concept we may not use. We will use a string buffer, sometimes a string builder, but not in detail. See here, it is not a programming concept, sir. It is a completely logic building. Okay. Right, friends. Hope you have enjoyed the session. If you are having still any queries, you can ask. So remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, don't miss the class exactly at 8 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. So good evening. Good evening, everyone. So welcome to Durga Soft online training and welcome to logic based programming LBP, a new online batch we are going to start. Sir, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 14 years of experience. Sir, I request everyone to please be on mute. Better, I will mute all the participants. Right. So, having 14 years of experience, and here we are going to start a new course called Logic Based Programming. What is the title of the course? Logic Based Programming. What is the duration of this course? 2 months duration. That means 60 hours we are going to spend to complete this logic based programming course, sir. And the timings of this batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the fees of this batch is 2000 rupees is the fees. And this is nothing but the contact number. If you want to register for this course, you can able to contact to this number and get registered. So it is happy that almost 3 to 4 members are already registered. Very good. And we will have some 4 to 5 demos will be there. So this is the second demo. Already I have taken the yesterday's class. That video is uploaded in the YouTube. If you want, you can able to cross check. And sir, what about the benefits of this course? Everything I explained very clearly in the last video. You can refer. And what is the prerequisite and what are the list of programs that we have also I covered last video. Okay. So importance of this course that was we are discussing in the last video. Sir, now in today's session, sir, if I want to do coding, the minimum knowledge must be required, right? From our side, minimum knowledge, sir. How you can able to read data from the user, how you can able to write data to the user. These minimum common things you must have an idea. So for that, the first topic which I am going to take is, sir, data types. Data types in different programming languages. Data types in different programming languages. Sir, different programming languages in the sense, sir, C, and I'm going to talk about Java and Python. Sir, I'm talking with respect to only these three programming languages, sir. Sir, in if you take any programming language, so data type means what? Sir, it is nothing but what kind of data we are using in the programming. Data type represent the type of the data that we are using in our program. Okay. So I can say data type represents the type of the data, so that we are using. in our system, sorry, in our program. So just a minute, some background disturbance is coming. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, right, sir. Someone are playing some background songs in my area. Yes, sir. Please confirm now. Am I audible? No, we are not going to provide any previous batch videos. The current batch videos only we are going to provide. Of course, it is the live class, right? Happily, you can able to enjoy the classes. Right. Yeah. So the data type represents the type of the data that we are using in our program. Okay. In our program, so what kind of data we are using that represents the data type. Sir, in general, the data types are classified into integer values, sir, real values, okay. Next and after that, characters. Next and after that, Boolean values, etc. These are nothing but some of the data types which we are going to use. Sir, what about C language? What about C language? If you take a C language, there are different types of integers are there. What is the first one that we have? Short int is there, which is used to represent a smallest integer value. Similarly, integer is there, which is used to represent a medium integer value. We have long int is there, which is used to represent a bigger value. Sir, what about the size of short integer? The size of short integer is nothing but 2 bytes, sir. Sir, what about integer? It is 4 bytes. What about the long integer? It is 8 bytes. Like this, the sizes also I have given for you to understand. Sir, we have real values also there. Real values in the sense what? For example, if you take a 10, it comes under integer category. Suppose if you are taking 10.234. So what type of value it is? It is a real value. That means a floating point value in our terminology. For example, if you divide any number with 2, okay, sir, what result we are going to get in this example? 2.5, right? But if you take a 4 by 2, we will get 2. So in this case, the result is integer type. In this case, the result is floating point type. In general, we have a scenario where we can represent floating point values also. Okay, that you can able to represent by using these are real values. Real values in the sense what, sir? Floating point values. Okay. Right. Then, sir, how many divisions are there? There are two divisions are there. One is nothing but a float. Second one is nothing but a double. Only with respect to size, there is a difference. Sir, what is mean by float? After this particular point, you can take 8 decimals. The size of the data type is nothing but 4 bytes. What about a double? This double is going to occupy 8 bytes, sir, which will take up to 16 precisions. Sir, what about the characters? We have only one character is there. Okay, one type is there. That is nothing but a character. The type of this particular character is nothing but 1 byte. Sir, what about Boolean? Unfortunately, sir, we don't have. Okay, we don't have any support. We don't have any support for Boolean type data. So in C language, we don't have any support, sir. I want to take 2 points here, two important note. Note number one, sir, here we can take, okay, we can take integer to represent, we can take integer to represent Boolean values. Remember carefully, this is very, very important. Sir, how you are going to take the integers? One means, sir, my my representation is true. Zero means that value I am going to consider it as false. Sir, in which variable you have to declare this? Generally, some people are going to use the flag variable to accommodate this value. Remember this note number one. Sir, whenever I am writing the C language code, suppose if I got a chance to store a Boolean value, but my C language is not in a position to provide support for this Boolean, right? In such cases, what we have to do, declare an integer variable. Better to name it as a flag, because if inbuilt support is there, any name we can take. But inbuilt support is not there. That's why better to take it as a flag, so that the worldwide programmer, any person, can understand this. Flag means which will maintain the status. So keep this in mind. So today I am going to cover one program also related to that. Note number two. Sir, C language. C language follows. Okay, C language follows. Sir, ASCII based systems. Okay, ASCII based character set. Sir, what is mean by ASCII? American, American. So standard code for information interchange. Sir, we have ASCII codes are there. Small a ASCII code. I think somewhere we discussed it in the last video. 97. Small b is nothing but 98. Small c is nothing but 99. Just to remember only first character. So rest of the things will become easy. Sir, capital A ASCII value is 65. Capital B ASCII value is 66. Capital C ASCII value is 67, and so on. Sir, even for the number 0, the ASCII value is 48. For the number 1, the ASCII value is 49. For the number 2, the ASCII value is 50. Sir, we will come across this in our logic-based programming many number of times. That's why I request everyone to please remember these values. Sir, it is very easy only. Just you need to remember only the first value, like A value, capital A ASCII value, 0 ASCII value. Once if you know these, so construction of next things will become very easy for you people. So these are nothing but what are the different data types supported by C language, C programming language. Sir, please confirm if these things are clear for you people. I will go with Java implementation. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, everyone. Clear, right? Yes, I request everyone to please respond. Right, sir. Now, sir, what about Java programming? What is the next language we have? Java. Sir, how you are going to use in Java programming? Sir, in Java programming also same types only. Like we have integers are there. Okay, we have integers are there. Just a minute. A call from office. Please wait 1 minute. Right. So coming to Java, sir, we have integers are there in Java also. But how many divisions are there? We have byte is there. So we have short is there. We have int is there. We have long int is there. Sir, in byte, how many bytes it is going to occupy? 1 byte. What is the size of short? It will occupy 2 bytes. Sir, what is the size of integer? It will occupy 4 bytes. Sir, what about long integer? It is going to occupy 8 bytes. Like this we have. Sir, this one is okay. This one is okay. What about real values? What about real values? Sir, we have again the same type like floating point values. And the next one, what we have here is double, which is going to occupy 8 bytes. Like this we have. Sir, what about Boolean? Sorry, what about the character? Yes, here also characters are there, but unfortunately same, only one division. But in C language, the size of the character data type is 1 byte, but here the size of the character data type is 2 bytes, sir. Okay, what is the size of the character? 2 bytes we have. Okay, why? Because the representation is different. And luckily we have Boolean data type is there. So Boolean, unfortunately, size is not applicable for the Boolean because of some internal reasons that we don't want to discuss here. Sir, note number one. So here the character format supported by Java is Unicode. Unicode means what? Universal coding standard. Okay. Sir, in this case also, already available ASCII values will be there, plus new characters will be there, sir. So beyond that, nothing. I think remaining things we don't want. Okay, remember these data types. Sir, what about Python programming? Sir, how you can able to solve this data types in Python? Sir, strictly speaking, Python is dynamically, okay, dynamically typed programming language. That means what? Based on provided value, comma, the type will be decided. The type will be decided. It won't take the type in advance, sir. Based on the assignment of value, it will take. But as a programmer, you should know what are the different data types are available. We have int is there, we have float is there, sir, we have string is there, we have list is there, we have tuple is there, sir, we have dictionary is there, etc. Sir, total 14 data types are there. I don't want to concentrate on these things. Okay, just try to understand the main agenda. In C language and in Java programming, we have the data types. So with the sizes and how you can able to represent those. But in Python, everything is treated as an object. We don't have any data types concept. But as a programmer, we are going to use the data types in our program. That's why at the top level, what data types are there, we need to understand. But in the program, we want to declare. For example, if I want to declare an integer value in C language, we will take x is equal to triple one. If you want to declare a y value in Java, sir, we will take like this. But in Python, simply we are going to take like this. That's all. So this is nothing but in C language, how you are going to use. This is nothing but in Java, and this is nothing but in Python. Sir, all these programming languages are okay, but in Python, you didn't mention the data type. Yes. So based on the availability of the value, automatically the type will be decided. So I think at the top level, what are the different types of data types supported by all these programming languages? At least you got some basic ideas, sir. Please confirm this idea is then sufficient for this logic-based programming course. Sir, please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people, friends? Yes, I am requesting every student to please respond. Is this concept is clear for you people? Right. Very good, sir. Excellent. Sir, now, um, better if I am taking completely theory concepts for you people may get bored. Okay. So if I am taking the complete theory concepts, you people are going to get bored. That's why better to go with some practice programs. Sir, yesterday I told, right, because it is a demo session, just I need to cover some programs also, sir. That the programs, yeah, I will differentiate, Sumit. Don't worry. We will discuss about that list, tuple, all these things. Just remember the words. That's all. Okay. Just I'm showing trailer or teaser of our logic-based programming movie. That's all. Okay. If you want to see what this character is going to play an important role. Okay. Sir, someone is going to take knife and he is going to kill that particular hero from the backside. So in trailer, I'm not going to show the person who used that weapon and the person who used that activity. I'm going to focus only on hero's face and I'm going to hide that person. So when you can able to watch that person in the movie only, right? That is the twist what we have. So you are going to get all these things, all these materialized concepts we will discuss. Don't worry, Sumit. Sir, I told already some hacker rank demo link, right? In this, I added some programs. So we will practice that programs in today's session. Some programs. Yeah. Sir, I removed the previous programs and I added some new programs. Yeah, you can see sometimes it will ask like this, sign up. Just you can continue or you can able to go with Google account. Sir, select your account. That's all. Automatically it will be redirected. Sir, I have added some programs. Have you observed here? LBP number 300, LBP number 288, 281, fifth program, sixth programs. Like this, I added some programs. Just we will try to solve that programs. That's all. I'm not going to in explanation in detail. I'm not giving. So anyway, once if the topic completed, we will start from LBP 1 onwards. Okay. So I told already I'm going to revise these programs. Maybe you are going to get in an order, so that we will decide later. But as of now, so try to understand. Sir, the first program which I am going to explain here is, let us take 300. Sir, you can able to see, implement a program to find sum of last three digits in the given number. Sir, what is that program? Implement a program to find sum of last three digits. It is nothing but something like logic based programming, count number 300. Sir, implement a program to find sum of last three digits. Sir, I will take one input. 2, 3, 4, 5 is nothing but they have given one input. What they are expecting? sum of last three digits. What is the last digit? 5 plus the last previous digit 4. Last previous to previous digit is 3. Sir, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3 is nothing but 12. Sir, is it our expected output or not? Yes. According to this, we have to write the logic, sir. Sir, what is the logic behind this? Whether it is a C language or a C++ or Java or Python, the simple activity is nothing but, first of all, we have to read a number from the user, and name it. Okay, and name it as n. Let us consider n is nothing but my given input, sir. Sir, we need to extract the last three digits, right? Let us take n1 is equal to, sir, there is one some simple formula is there. Have you observed? If you take 2, 3, 4, 5 number, okay, if you divide with 10, remember this logic. If you divide with 10, multiple times we are going to use this logic. Sir, 10, 234 are, sir, 2340. Like this we have. Sir, what reminder we got? 5. So, how you are going to get this 235? Because of some slash division. How we are going to get this 5? Because of this percentage division. So, if you take 2345 divided by 10, your result is 234. Sir, if you are taking 2345 percentage 10, your result is nothing but 5. Excellent. We got the last digit or not? Yes. Sir, to get 4, this same operation, in the place of 235, can I take 234? Yes. Sir, then what will happen? 234 percentage 10 will become 4. Excellent. Then, sir, 23 percentage 10 will become, sir, 3. Excellent. That's all. Sir, I know if I take capital N percentage 10, I will get N1. Sir, how you can able to get this 234? Sir, simple. If you divide with N with 10, N with 10, whatever division we are getting, that is our required result, which is nothing but N2. Sir, what about this one? You can take N divided by 10, whatever result you got, try to divide again with 10. Sir, whatever result you are getting, divide with percentage 10, which is nothing but your N3. Like that we can write. Sir, what is the formula now? Capital N percentage 10, N2 will become capital N by 10, again percentage 10. What about N3? Sir, capital N by 10, okay, divided by 10, again percentage 10. So, last digit, okay, last before digit, last before digit. So, you can print N1 plus N2 plus N3. Sir, I will take one more example and I will explain. Have a look once. Let us consider N is equal to, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. N1 is equal to, sir, what we are doing? N percentage 10. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4 percentage 10 means we will get last digit, which is nothing but 4. What about N2? Sir, N divided by 100. N divided by 100 means 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 100 means we will get 1, 2, 3. Sir, 1, 2, 3 percentage 10 means we will get 3. Then N3 is equal to, sir, N by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10 means we will get 1, 2, 3. Again by 10, then we will get this value as a 12. Sir, on this I am taking percentage 10, which will return 2. Sir, print N1 plus N2 plus N3, 7, 8, 9 is nothing but our required result. So, I think the problem statement and example and logic, whatever I have given, these three things are clear for you people, I think. So, of course, it is a simple program. We have to start from very basics, right? That's why I am giving this example for you people. Sir, please confirm, is the logic and example what I have shown, is it clear for you people, friends? Yes, please confirm. Yes, I am requesting every student to please respond. Okay. Yeah. So don't worry, Praveen. Even if you are not getting, don't worry. It is not the main class. Just so the way of explanation, try to capture. Okay. We are reading a number and we are dividing with the percentage 10 so that we will get the reminder. They are asking sum of last three digits. So if you want to get the last digit, divide this entire number with percentage 10 so that we will get last digit. Sir, why you are dividing only with the 10? Don't get confusion. 10 is the basic base for us. Okay. So our number system is decimal number system. What is the base of decimal number system? 10 digits we have. That's why we have to divide with 10. Right. Sir, I will implement this program by taking any one programming language. Maybe, sir, I am taking C language. So I am not going to explain the program structure. Just I will write the program. Integer, capital N, small n1, small n2, small n3. These are the inputs which are required. Sir, we are going to read, so capital N value. I will explain these functions. Don't worry, friends. Then, sir, we need to calculate N1, which is nothing but capital N percentage 10. I need to calculate N2, where capital N divided by 10, sir, percentage 10 I will get. Sir, N3 is equal to, so capital N percentage 10, again, sorry, normal division 10, again with the slash 10, percentage 10 is nothing but N3 value. Sir, what is your result? Addition of these three values or not? Yes. Print f percentage d comma n1 plus n2 plus n3. Like this we have to take in C language. Of course, I will explain about this scanf function, the basic program, in our upcoming classes. Just try to understand how our programs will be. Now my code is a success and I am submitting the program. Sir, it takes 1 or 2 minutes time and you can able to check all the test cases are passed. We got green color tick marks. That means all the test cases are passed. How much score we got? Sir, 1 point. What is the status of this particular program? Your status is accepted. That means what? The program is correct, sir. Okay. So hope you got clarity how we have implemented in C language. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubt in this C language implementation, friends? Everyone, please confirm. Is it clear up to this? Right. So I'm not going to copy paste the program because anyway, we will discuss these programs in our upcoming regular classes. That's why I'm not going to copy paste this program solution. Just only program statement is there and example is there and the logic is there. I think you understood. Okay. Now, now. So the next one, what we have here, the next one, what we have here is, let us go with another problem. Okay, let us go with another problem. Yes, sir, I will go with one more program like LBP number 005. Sir, LBP number 005. Sir, what is this program? So LBP number 005. What is this program? Sir, implement a program that takes a number as a input and increment the number by +1 and returns the result. Sir, we have to implement a program. So we have to take a number as an argument and increment that number by 1 unit. Sir, very simple. Sir, if you take 5 and then your output should be 6. Sir, if you take 10, your output should be 11. If you take minus 4, your output should be minus 3. Sir, if you are taking minus 1, your output should be 0. Sir, if you are taking 3, your output should be 4. That means what? We have to add the value 1 for this. Okay, we have to add the value 1 for this. Okay. Yeah, we will. Shanu Kumar is asking, sir, can you use Java language? Yes, don't worry. I will explain all the programs in all these three languages like C, Java, Python. So every problem I will explain in all these languages, sir. Okay, but just it is a demo, right? One program in C language, one program in Java, one program in Python, like that I will cover. But in our regular classes, we are going to cover in all the languages. Don't worry at all. Clear, Shanu? Right. So, what is the logic for this? Sir, it is very simple. We have to read n value. We have to read n value from the user. Okay. Then I need to increment. I need to increment n value by 1 unit. Oh, hold on. Here there is a small problem is there. Sir, if it is a C language, you can take n plus plus. Increment operation is there. Sir, even if you take Java, you can take n plus plus. No problem at all. But in Python, sir, we don't have any increment and decrement operators. Okay. For that, we have to take n is equal to n plus 1. Sir, we are adding a value 1 to this n, and whatever result you got, I am updating to n itself. Something like assignment operation. This kind of a facility is there in all the programming languages, but increment operator and decrement operators are not there in Python. That's why we have to go for this approach. Okay, sir, I will write a program for this, how you can able to run. Sir, I will execute in both languages, like I will take Java as well as Python. So first let us write in Java. Sir, how to write it in Java? All these steps I will explain later, sir. Okay, because you need to understand input and output statements. Then only you can able to get clarity on this. Sir, I accepted a number from the user, which is nothing but n value. So which operation we have to take? N plus plus. N plus plus means what? Incrementing the value of n by 1 unit, and just I am printing the value of n. So n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. So I am incrementing the value of n, that is n plus plus. So whatever previous value is there, it will be added with 1 unit. And it is going to print system dot out dot println of n means, so whatever updated value is there, it is going to take that value. Let us run the code. Is it working? Yes, perfect. And submit the code. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases are going to work. Sir, can't we implement the program in Python? Yes, we can do. But, sir, we don't have any increment and decrement operators in Python. By mistake, if you are trying to do, sir, the code never runs. We will get error message. Okay, syntax error, invalid syntax. What we have to do in this place, try to take n is equal to n plus 1. Okay, now what will happen? The code will execute, sir. And you can submit the code. So this program wantedly we have created. Okay, so to tell the programmer that we don't have any increment and decrement operators in Python. So that I told already, sir, parallelly you can able to learn programming also. I hope this requirement has given some idea for you, a new concept you have learned from these different languages. Okay, sir, I hope this problem statement and example logic, whatever I have implemented with respect to Java and Python, these concepts are clearly injected into your mind. I think so. Sir, please confirm, is my statement is true? Any doubts up to this? Is the concept is clear for you people, friends? Please confirm, everyone. Please confirm, everyone. Right. Sumit, OOPS programs, why we are going to cover here? We won't cover OOPS programs here. Okay. Because OOPS programs are related to the project orientation. Okay, OOPS programs are related to the project orientation, not a programming level, coding level concepts won't be there here. But we can use any one of the application if required. Okay, but not. Right. Now, sir, I need to talk about one theory concept now. Sir, what are the input and output statements? What are the input and output statements in, sir, different programming languages? It's a very, very important topic, sir. Okay. So if we want to sustain, now two Sumits are there. Okay. Maybe. Yes. So if you want to sustain in our lives, sir, which things are very, very important? There are few things, right? Like water, okay, air, okay, food. All these things are basic needs. In the same way, if you want to write any programming language, sir, input and output statements is also one of the factors. So I explained yesterday itself what is the need of these input and output statements, what we have. Sir, here I want to talk about what are the input statements and output statements supported by C language. Sir, if you take input statement, so it is used to read input from the user. It is used to read input from the user. Sir, how you can able to read? By using scanf. By using scanf. Here we have to give some format and ampersand variable 1, if you have variable 2, if you have variable 3, and so on. Like this we can take. But when we have to use ampersand, when we have to ignore that ampersand, that we will discuss on flow. Okay, like when we are dealing with the programs, we will discuss. So I think these things are basics, sir. Sir, what about output statement? So it is used to print output to the console. That is nothing but a screen. Sir, for this we have two syntaxes are there. One is nothing but a printf. You can provide message alone. What is the second one? Printf. Sir, you can take message plus a format also you can able to provide that list of values. Okay. So list of values you have to pass here. Okay. Sir, examples also I will cover. Don't worry at all. Sir, I want to write a program to read three numbers from the user and I want to print addition of these three numbers. That is my requirement. Sir, when we are, what about the formats? What about the formats? If it is integer, we have to use percentage D. Sir, if it is a floating point, we have to use percentage F. Sir, if it is a double, we have to use percentage F only. Sir, if you want to use float, we have one more syntax is there, point XF, where, okay, where x denotes number of number of digits after decimal point. Sir, sometime I calculated my result got 1 2 3 4 5, but in the output they required only 1.23. That means you have to take, so percentage point to f. That means after percentage, I mean after dot, it will take only 2 digits. That is the meaning. Sir, if I want to print any character, we can go with percentage C. Sir, if I want to print any string, then you have to go with percentage S. These are the formats what we are going to use in C language. Okay. Sir, what formats we have? For integer, better to take percentage D. For floating point, percentage F. Sir, with 2 digits I want, then percentage X, XF, where X denotes integer value. For character, we can take percentage C. For string, we can take percentage F. Okay. Sir, these are nothing but the formats what we have. Sir, I need to cover one small application. Sir, I want to read three numbers. Okay. And So calculate and print result. Uh, Calculate and print addition of these three. Sir, how you can able to write scanf statement? Three integers, right? Percentage D, percentage D, percentage D. Sir, first variable is stored in A, second variable is stored in B, third variable is stored in C. Now, sir, addition or result is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C. Sir, how to print the result? Printf. Sir, I want to take percentage D comma result. That's all. Sir, here we are focusing mainly on percentage D. Why? Because in the problem statement, they have given clearly that we are going to work with integer type of data. Okay. Sir, I think you got clarity. Okay. Sir, how you can able to work with floating point means, for that also we have one program is there. Maybe I will cover that program in the tomorrow's session. 1 minute. Let us see that problem statement alone. Yes. So LBP number 281. Okay. LBP number 281. Sir, LBP number 281. Okay. Sir, this is the problem statement. Now you can able to see there is one constraint also. Yes. Sir, implement a program that takes the memory size as an argument and returns the actual memory size. Okay. Suppose my pen drive is having 1 GB. So 1 GB memory I'm going to give the inputs. But what is the actual memory size? Once if you insert into system, sir, note the actual storage loss on a USB device is 7% of the total memory size. Sir, if I'm giving 1 GB memory card, then I will get 0.73 GB only. Sir, where is that 0.07? I can say that is nothing but loss for the maybe for system requirement purpose or for internal concepts. So, and sir, definitely the data will be written in the form of points only. That's why, so because we are dealing with percentages. So actual memory size, round off your result to two, how many decimal places? Two decimal places. Sir, once if you take this, you may get 0.93001, something like this, you may get. But, sir, what is the requirement? After point, you need to provide only two digits. Sir, we will see how you can able to implement that. We know the format, right? What format we have to use? Percentage point to F. But anyway, how you can able to use that, we will discuss in our upcoming classes, sir. Okay. Sir, I hope you have enjoyed the session. Please confirm, do you have any doubts on this C language input and output statements? Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts on this C language inputs and output statements, sir? Please confirm. Yeah, please, Vishal, you can ask your query.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Actually,
very
sir,
good evening.
I'm getting whatever you're teaching, but my concern is every day, as when the classes will be going from level 0 to level 10,
Yes.
do all the problems you will be solving or we will be solving as an assignment?
No, I am going to solve every problem, but in advance I will give for you. If possible, you can able to try at some extent. Finally, I am going to give the solution for every problem.
It means that we won't be getting any assignments.
Sir, assignments in the sense, it is not a theory concept, sir. Once if I explain the concept and taking one problem and similar problems, I can give it for you as an assignment. It is not such a type of course. It is a course where you can practice along with me. Suppose if I have taken a program like this, so next program, maybe if it is in the same format, you can try by yourself. Okay. So in your own methodology. But I'm going to provide implementation for all the problems. Here, homework, all these things won't be there. For every problem, I will give the solution. But the problems will be shared for you in advance. If you want, you can practice the programs before coming to the next class.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, it is not a kind of theoretical programming, sir.
No, no, no. Actually, what I was
Yeah, yeah.
asking,
You
uh,
whatever you are asking, I got the clarity. But it is not a language, sir. It is if it is a Java, I can take for loop and I can take five programs. So similar kind of programs, I can give it as an assignment for you. In my regular classes, that thing will be happen. But it is not that kind of coding platform, sir. Here, every problem, sir, there is there will be a kind of similarities for only few problems, but every problem is having its own impact. That is different genre programs will be there. Some student may can understand, some students may not. That's why every problem solution I am going to solve with my own hands. Parallelly, you can practice.
okay. Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you,
Right,
sir.
right.
Sir, Pranav here.
Yeah, please, Pranab.
So, sir, I have one query related to the class. So, how many classes are there? And
Yeah, it will be around 60 classes, sir. 60 hours sessions will be taken.
so, yeah, per day, 1 hour, 1 hour
Yeah,
class.
per day 1 hour class, sir.
Okay. So, and
Maximum 1 hour, maybe 5 to 10 minutes sometimes.
yes, and one more thing, all those programs you will write in three languages, Java and
Yes,
Python.
I will write every programming in C language, Java and Python. Every program solution, you will get it in C, Java and Python.
And one more thing, so whatever the editor you are using, so
Mm.
same editor can we get, and before coming to the class, can we practice those programs? Suppose if you will do 10 program or 5 program per day,
Mm.
so before coming to the class, can we get those kind of that editor to develop or to practice
Yeah,
from
I
our
will
end?
give, yes, yes, definitely, sir. Here, resources will be given for you people. How to access that resource, everything I will explain, sir. Don't worry.
Hi, sir. Vishnu here. Will you be providing the recorded video as well?
Yeah, recorded videos will be given for you people, but these are not downloadable. You can able to watch these videos, and the limitation for this is you can access up to 7 months.
Okay.
So maximum how many programs you will cover, sir, in our
Uh,
60 classes?
yeah, we are going to cover 320 programs, sir. As of now, in my hand, 320 programs are there. All the 320 programs we will cover. So roughly, you can able to get 1,000 programs when compared with all the languages. By combining C program, Java, Python, you can able to get 1,000 plus programs.
So recently I have attended one of the hacker rank tests, but
Okay.
those problems are very big. To
Yes, yes.
understand to
Yeah.
understand that problem, it will take more than 10 minutes to read
Yes.
and understand.
Yes.
Will you be practicing those problems as well
No,
in
sir.
the
No, sir. No, sir. We are moving from level 0 to up to certain level. So this program, this particular course is only for giving the clarity how the coding challenges will be, how you can able to work with that environment. Up to certain level, we are going to give some idea. But later, it is depending on the practice of you, because I don't know what type of question they are going to ask. Maybe if I take that example, in your exam you are going to get different example. So that level we have to practice. To get that idea, this course is going to be act as a fundamental building block. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Is there any other course advanced LPP? No, as of now, we have the basic only, Puja. Basic in the sense, in this you can get 70% of the programs, sir. So whatever they are asking in the interview, 70% will be there. Remaining 30 we have to practice by our own.
So
But they
another
want to.
one,
Yes, please, Prana.
sorry to disturb, sir.
No, 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 no,
So
please.
another one more thing, so is it possible from your side, suppose you have done some program, 10 program or 5 program per day,
Mm.
so could you please provide some of the assignment to people or to us so that we will practice from our end similar
Yes,
kind of.
yes, definitely. See, if I am taking a program on if condition, maybe I may not cover all the if condition programs by today itself. I will give
Yes,
theory to if condition, and then
correct.
one or two programs I am going to provide for you people. Rest of the programs will be added on the dashboard. So while coming to the next class or next class, see if conditions minimum 3 days we will discuss. On these 3 days, the first day whatever theory I am explaining, all these 3 days programs will be depending on that particular theory concept only. You can have practice on that, but anyway, even if you practice, in the next class I am going to take that program. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's fine.
Right. So
Everyday class timing is 8 to 9.
yes, every day class timings are from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST.
So Monday to Friday or Saturday, Sunday also
No, sir.
include?
Monday to Friday, sir. But in these 2 months, maybe 3 to 4 classes we will take on Saturdays or Sundays like that. So there are
Okay.
some special concepts are there. So sometimes matrix programs, arrays introduction, similarity programs will be there. For continuation purpose, maybe I can take up to 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours like that, only on 1 or 2 classes. That too only on Saturday, but not on Sunday.
So this coming Saturday.
No. Maybe in meanwhile, sir, not every
Okay.
Saturday. That we will
Okay.
discuss in advance. So I will give intimation, sir. So next week I am going to take Saturday. So the class will be from 8 to 9:30 or 10 like that. So if everyone is okay, then we will plan on that Saturday. If not, next Saturday like that.
So when onwards regular class will start?
Sir,
Tomorrow.
this is the regular class only, sir. From the yesterday, it is a
Okay.
regular class. But actual link I have not given for you people yet. Once if the payment done and everything is materialized, then we will give that hacker rank link or permanent link. So till that, some 5 to 10 programs in that hacker rank we will solve.
Yes, actually, because of some personal issues, I could not join yesterday. So
Yeah, no
how I
problem, sir. You can watch that recorded video, sir. I am sharing on the chat window. You can able
yes.
to watch that. It is there in YouTube.
Yeah, another one more
Yeah,
question.
please.
Suppose if any problem or I because of some issue or some problem I missed the class,
Hmm.
then how I'll
Yeah, I
get
told
by.
right. These sessions are recorded. These sessions will be uploaded on the Google Drive, and maximum with 12 hours time delay, you can able to get this. Before attending the next class, you can able to watch that video.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Right. Yeah, we will discuss Sumit. We will discuss that also.
So another one more query. Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah, no
So
problem.
suppose for going to a program,
Hmm.
so suppose one Python means I know Python,
Hmm.
or some people know the C or C++. If
Okay.
I don't know the C or Java, then how I'll yeah capture those program or how I'll actually
Very
whatever.
simple. What you can do is, sir, first I will explain the problem statement, then I will go
Mhm.
with example, then I will go with logic. So everyone have to put their concentration on the example, how it is related to the problem statement, and what logic I am explaining. So then, while I am teaching the C language code or while teaching the Java code, first I will take C language, then I will go with Java, then I will go with Python. What you can do, better take a paper and a pen, and while I am explaining that C language and Java code, whatever
Okay,
logic I have explained, try to implement with the help of Python programming, because already link is given to you. In that link, the coding will be there. I mean, the problem statement, everything will be there. So logic I explained. So what you have to do, immediately open your system. So take that link and the problem number, so on so. open that problem, go to implementation, select Python. So if the logic is clearly injected into your mind, just use the proper tools and develop the program, submit the code, and then if you have cleared all the test cases and if you have succeeded, copy that code and paste it on chat window so that I can feel very happy, and I will instruct the remaining students also to motivate them. They will practice parallelly so that we
Okay,
can make others to learn also.
that's good.
Simultaneously you
Yeah,
will get efficiency, right? So when I am taking
exactly.
the problem within 5 to 10 minutes, I will come to Python implementation. In that time, if you solve the problem, then it will be very good. So if you don't know the solution, if I explain the solution in a single line, you will get shocked. Oh, this much is there in Python. So we need to practice more. Like that, you will be motivated by yourself.
Yes, yeah,
That's all.
got
Simple.
now. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Right, sir. Yeah, right. So that's all about today's session, sir. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. And as I said earlier, so don't delay this batch. If you are interested, happily you can able to join. So single penny what you are spending won't be wasted. That's why I request everyone, those who are studying pre-final year, final year, mandatory, better to register for this course immediately. Okay, right. Thank you. We will meet for the continuation with the same link exactly at 8 o'clock. Okay, right, sir. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah. So, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to Durga Soft online training and welcome to logic based programming online batch. Sir, in this, we are going to talk about this logic based programming, purely concentrating on the programming domain. The duration of this course is 2 months. Total 60 hours we are going to spend only on this course. And the timings of this batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, daily 1 hour class will be there. And the fees for this batch is rupees 2000. And this is the contact number that you can contact to our admin team. And we have almost 4 to 5 demos will be there already. Demo 1 we have taken on day before yesterday. So demo 2 yesterday we have taken, and this is nothing but the third demo. Sir, if anyone is new, sir, today is my first class. Like if anyone is there, so just I'm going to drop this link in the chat window. You can able to copy paste into your clipboard. So later you can able to view these videos, sir. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have. And what benefits of this course, what content we are going to cover, everything I explained in the last videos, like what is the importance of this course, and what is a prerequisite for this course. Okay, how many programs we are going to cover, the title of all these 300 plus programs titles I have given for you people. Okay, next, and after that, sir, some questions which was asked by the students also clarified. And we started one theory concept called data types, because whenever you are entering into the programming domain, so compulsory you must know what are the basics of this programming, like how you can able to read data from the user, how you can able to write data to the end user. These are the basic things, sir. So for that, if I want to know how to read the data, how to write the data, first of all, we must know what type of data are supported in this programming. So that can be recognized by using these data types. So data types present in C language, Java, and Python, we discussed in the last videos. Sir, in total, how many classifications will be there in these data types? There are four classifications are there. The first one is nothing but integers, second one is nothing but real values, third one is nothing but characters, fourth one is nothing but booleans. Sir, we don't have any boolean data type in C language, except that remaining all the data types support is there, that we discussed already. Next, sir, even some important points also I covered. So if you are a new, please try to refer these videos, sir. Next, sir, in Java, again, the same four classifications are there, but in Java, we have this Boolean data type also. Okay, so Boolean data type means which can take either true or false values. Then, sir, what about Python programming? Python programming is a dynamically typed programming. So, as a programmer, we should aware what are the data types that are available. But, sir, in real time, no need to use any data type. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. And sir, even we have seen that hacker rank link also. Of course, it is for demo purpose. Okay, then sir, we have seen logics of few programs. Like if I want to implement a program to find sum of last three digits in the given number, how you can able to do that? Example I explained. Even we have seen the logic also, and I implemented in one language also, sir. Okay, so, but I didn't copy pasted the code because we are going to learn anyway. So no need to cover that. And one more logic also we have seen. Implement a program that takes a number as an argument and increment number by 1 unit and return the result. Sir, how you can able to do this? That part also we covered. Then, so input and output statements in different programming languages. Sir, what are the different types of input statements and output statements supported by various programming languages? Sir, first we have seen C language. So in C language, if we want to read the data from the user, we have scanf function is there, which will take a format and which is going to take multiple variables like variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and so on. We can take any number of values. Okay, and coming to the output statement, so which is used to print an output on the screen. For that we have printf function is there. Okay, for that we have printf function is there. Sir, for this we can go with various formats. So if I want to print integer value, we have to use percentage d. So if I want to print floating point value, we have to go with the percentage f. If I want to print double, also percentage f. Okay, sir, if I want to print floating point value up to certain decimals, then we can go with the percentage dot x. So if you want only three values, dot 3. If you want after decimal point, if you want only two digits, dot 2, like this we have to take. So this is nothing but what we have. And even I explained this concept with the help of a small application also. Sir, now we are going to solve this problem today. Okay, implement a program that takes. Okay, we have to implement a program. So which is going to take, okay, sir, actual memory size as an argument and returns it is its actual size. Okay, we are going to take the value and it is going to return what is the actual size of that particular USB drive. Sir, generally if you take any USB drive, sir, it won't give original size. Suppose if you have 1 GB data is there, 1 GB size is there, it won't return 1 GB directly. Maybe it will return 0.96 or 0.92, like that. Some loss will be there which can be represented by the system format. Okay, for system files or supporting files, for that we may have. Sir, that we have to reduce and we have to implement a program to return the actual size. Sir, now the data should be printed in two decimal places like 0.93, like this we have to take. But even I have given hint also how you can able to print that. Okay, sir, these are the things which we covered in the last video. Sir, if everything is clear, today we will start our session. That is, first we will go with this program only. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, I request everyone to please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Right, right, sir. Sir, now I will explain this with the help of a small example. Sir, I am giving 1 GB hard disk. Okay, 1 GB memory USB drive I am giving. Sir, I want to know how much size it is going to take. Sir, they told already in 1 GB how much loss we are going to get. 0.7, 0.07 percentage loss will be there. Sir, once if you subtract 0.07 from 1 GB, what output we are going to get? 0.93 GB. This is nothing but what output they are expecting. What is the logic for this program? Sir, first we have to read the size of USB drive. Okay, USB drive. Sir, after that, let it be. Okay, let it be n. Let it be n. Sir, we have to print n minus n minus. Sir, we need to take 0.07 loss in that particular total memory. That's why n into 0.07 is nothing but the loss. Okay, so n means 1 GB. 1 GB minus in that 1 GB, 0.07 is the loss. That's all, nothing more than this. Sir, but printing the data is very, very important. In C language, how you can able to print? Sir, I can use printf percentage f comma n minus g sorry n minus n into 0.07. We can't take like this because sometimes it may written 0.93, sometimes it may written 0.9312, something like that, or 0.9300 like that. It is not our requirement. Sir, what we have to do? Percentage 0.2f. If I take like this, it will print exactly 2 points. Sir, what about Java program? What about Java program? Sir, in Java also, system.out. We know println, but in Java, we have another option is also there. Whatever printf is there, sir, same thing you can take after system.out. Beautiful, right? System.out in the place of print ln or in the place of print, I can able to take printf also. Sir, once if you are starting printf, the syntax whatever we have in C language, same syntax will be there here also. Now, sir, I want to implement in Python. Sir, in Python, do you have the same facility? Yes, but a small change. So print we have to take. Okay, print we have to take. Then percentage 2f is okay. Again, we have to take percentage and within bracket, you need to print this data. Sir, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Sir, listen carefully. Sir, here printf. I want to print percentage 2f. In this place, which data you need to print? This is nothing but the data what we have to print. That is the meaning of that. So, what is the syntax of that format? Print of. Sir, whatever format is there, take that format. Okay, take that format. Then percentage, that variable list you have to take. This is the format, sir. But same format, how you have written in C language? Sir, we have taken printf followed by format. Okay, sir, comma, we have taken variable. But that comma is replaced with the percentage, and this variable compulsory you have to enclose within these brackets. So this is nothing but the format, except that remaining things are same. Don't worry, I will execute this code in all the programming languages today. Sir, please confirm, is the title of this program, the title of this program, and how you can able to consider this example, what is the logic behind this program, and how we can able to solve by using this printf methods. Sir, if the logic is clear for you people, we are ready to provide implementation for that. Please confirm, friends, is the logic is clear for you? Yes, requesting every student to please respond. Right. Sir, now I will try to solve this challenge. What is the challenge number? LBP number 281. I think it is available in that LBP test. Sir, where is that link? LBP test. Let us open that link. So this is nothing but the link what we have. You can open any browser. So in that you have to select that link. Maybe it should be opened in a Gmail account. That's why I will use all the existing accounts. Sir, 281. 281. Correct, right? Yeah, 281. So let us open this. Have a look once.